Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
I hope everyone are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check if specific email has attachment or not. So we are using Microsoft Outlook connector. In case you haven't watched my previous videos on Microsoft Outlook, please do watch them. So where I have explained few other Outlook methods. So this is the activity which we were using for all the Outlook connector. We are setting the account in which you have to define the Outlook account and using get emails, filtering the email based on the subject name, and I'm getting the top 3 email. So for my list of mail IDs, I'm just looping through them, and to find if it has attachment or not, use this method called get mail. And here in the configuration window, you have certain fields to define. So here I'm going to take this attachments count, which will give us the count of an attachment if the specific email has. And then I'm going to make use of this decision if the count is greater than 0. So if email has at least one attachment, I want to get the body of the email. So let me take this show from message box to display the output, add it in the true part, and then we'll display the body whichever email has at least one attachment count. And also we can preview the count over here. This is my Outlook account and I'm not using unread only. I want to get all the emails whichever meets this criteria, demo on email connector. As so we have different kinds of email with different numbers of attachment. Let me quickly run this. So this is the first email which gives us a body. This is a demo on RPA email connector. So this is the second. So totally on top 3 emails, only 2 emails has an attachment. Let's also cross verify them. So this is my Outlook account and this is the old email, the first email. So it doesn't have any attachment, and second email which has only one attachment, third email which has 2 attachments. So this is expected output. This is how you can get if the specific email has attachment or not. So in the next video we'll see how you can save your attachment or get the attachment names. So thanks for watching this video.